To turn on edge lighting on the Redmi Note 15, you can do this only by using the application from the Google Play Store. So we have to go over here and you have to make sure that you have downloaded Movies Edge, AOD and Edge Lighting application. Now, once you actually download this application, you will have to just open this, select Draw over other apps. From the next screen, we have to select Movies Edge. Now just wait for the loading and here search for the Movies Edge. It's here. We have to click on it. Now click on this switcher to turn it on. And then we have to just go back to the application. And now as you can see, here you can find the edge lights. When you swipe to the left or the right side, you can find the different themes. But remember that all of those start themes are paid, so you cannot actually get it for free. So in my case, I will probably pick maybe something different. Flat ripples. I believe that I would like to pick this one. So before you actually apply this one, you have to also grant some permissions for the music overlay. Click while using the application, go for the AOD music and go for the AOD notification. Select this Movies Edge another time from the next screen and just click here, click on it once, click here that you are aware of possible risks and click OK. And it's not finished because we can also customize this, which is actually great. Let's go back. And as you can see, when we click over here, we can change thickness of this one, so we can even make it bigger. In my opinion, it looks pretty cool, but I will stay like this. We can set spread of this one. I will go like that. The length, so we can get it almost in the full screen. The speed, so we can go like super fast or a little bit slower, depends of the preferences, and the mass, like that or like that. I will stay with this preset and we have to click save. And as you can see now, when we close this application, we should get it on the screen. And as you can see, it's here. It's not that good visible on this wallpaper because it's not a black wallpaper, but when you go here, as you can see, it looks much better on the black background.